Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I achieved this ombre lips. Keep watching. I will be using a red and wine lipstick. I started off by lining the lips with a wine colored lip pencil. What the lip pencil does is it serves as a guide for me and also helps my lipstick from running. After tracing the outline of my lips, the next thing I'm going to do is to use a lip blending brush to blend out that pencil that I've used so that it doesn't look harsh. I will be using the red liquid lip stain to fill her lips, following the outline that I have drawn earlier. For hygiene purposes, it's important that you're using a lip brush and not the wand that comes with your lip stains, especially when you're working with a liquid lip stain. Okay, don't ever use that wand, because by the time you finish using it and you put it back into the container, you're contaminating the whole product, and you know that you're going to be sharing that lipstick for a lot of other clients, so it's not hygienic for you to keep using that wand on several people. So I usually prefer to scoop out what I need either on the back of my hand or on a makeup tray, you know, and use a brush to walk off the back of my hand or from the tray. Right now I'm using my pencil blending brush to apply the wine color on the outer corners of her lips. I don't want to put it all over the perimeter of her lips, so I'm just focusing on the outer V of her lips. So I'm just using a blending brush to blend that in so that it doesn't create any harsh lines or look like these are two different colors. They just blend into each other seamlessly. Blending both colors into each other and making sure that there is no creasing anywhere, no breaking, no harsh lines, or you know, just making it smooth. That I am done blending, I'm going to be using my concealer to clean out any stains and then cover out her lips, you know, to give you that snatched lip that you always see on Instagram. Okay, so that's the essence of using that concealer, especially on the outer corners of the lips. So I'm going to use that to really define that outer corner of her lips. Okay. To complete the look, I'm going to use my blending brush to blend out that concealer that I've just applied there. I want it to look nice and smooth, so I'm going to blend it out, blend it into her skin, apply a bit of powder to set it, and we are done. Have you subscribed to the channel? If you have not, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friend. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.